Starting your web development journey? Awesome. Let's quickly cover some common pitfalls to avoid, saving you time and frustration. First, understand the fundamentals. Don't jump straight into frameworks without grasping HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics. It's like building a house without a foundation. HTML provides the structure, CSS styles the look, and JavaScript adds interactivity. Master these core technologies first. Next up, neglecting responsive design. In today's mobile-first world, your website must look good on all devices from desktops to smartphones. Use media queries in CSS to adapt your layout to different screen sizes. Test on various devices. Consider frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS to assist you. Another big mistake, ignoring browser compatibility. Your website might look perfect in Chrome, but what about Firefox, Safari, or even older versions of Internet Explorer? Test your website across different browsers and platforms. Use cross-browser testing tools to identify and fix compatibility issues. Polyfills can help with older browsers. Forgetting to validate your code can lead to unexpected errors. HTML and CSS validators check your code for syntax errors and ensure it conforms to web standards. Use online validators or browser developer tools to catch these errors early. Clean, valid code is easier to maintain and debug. Don't reinvent the wheel. There are tons of great libraries and frameworks out there that can save you time and effort. Use them, but understand what they're doing under the hood. Avoid copy-pasting code without understanding it. This can lead to security vulnerabilities and unexpected behavior. Know what each line of code does. Commenting your code is crucial, especially for larger projects or when working in a team. Explain what your code does and why you made certain decisions. Clear comments make your code easier to understand and maintain, both for yourself and for others. Future you will thank you. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. The web development community is incredibly supportive. Stack Overflow, forums, and online communities are great resources. Embrace the learning process. Make mistakes, learn from them, and keep building. Good luck on your web development journey.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.